Welcome back to your English class again. So we have started Macbeth and we have done first page, that is page number 107, and here we are going to start the play. We must say a tragedy, and I have already told you what is tragedy. A tragedy that is having a tragic end means a sad end. So here Macbeth is that, a tragedy, and here we have seen about the characters, that is a doctor, a gentlewoman, and Lady Macbeth. When the scene started, it is a scene of the castle, of a castle that is having doorway at the left side, so a table in between. A lady was standing, and the dialogue started between the gentle lady, the gentlewoman, and the doctor, that is the doctor of physique. Next, when they have started, the doctor and gentlewoman was there. They were observing something. They were observing about the lady Macbeth. So he was asking what you have observed. Whatever she has observed, she told, and with that she had denied to tell her words, her speech. So now here we will start with gentlewoman. Neither to you nor anyone, having no witness to confirm my speech. At the same time, Lady Macbeth enters with a taper. Lo you, here she comes. This is her very guise, and upon my life fast asleep, observe her stand close. Now, here she comes. This is her very guise appearance. Upon my life means during my life. This is, here she is, and she is fast asleep. She is sleeping. Observe her, stand close. Stand close means stay in hiding. Do not open to anyone. Stay here only. Then doctor said, how came she by that light? She is sleeping. How is it possible for her to come here? Then gentlewoman, why, it stood by her. She has lighted by her continually. 'Tis her command. Ki why not? The light is there. Light is stood by her. And she has ordered to lighten a candle near her bed. It is her command. It is her order. It is her command. Then doctor said, you see her eyes are open. Means he was surprised to see that she was sleeping and eyes are open. Gentlewoman, but their sense is shut. Sense is shut means eyes are still open but she is sleeping. She is having no sense means what is she doing? Doctor, what is it she does now? Look how she rubs her hands. Means now as they both are observing her. So now they are talking to themselves, to each other. Now see what is she doing? See where she is going. So now what is she doing? She is rubbing her hand. Who is she? She is Lady Macbeth. Gentlewoman. It is an accustomed action with her. Accustomed action, habitual. She used to do this. To seem thus washing her hands. I have known her continue in this quarter of an hour. Means I know she is habitual of it. She used to wash her hands within 15 minutes. Quarter of an hour means the 4 parts we divide into a quarter. That is 4 divided by 60 is equal to 15. So within 15 minutes she used to do this. Lady Macbeth. Yet here is a spot. Now she spoke. Who? Lady Macbeth. Till now only the doctor and the gentlewoman was talking. But now Lady Macbeth said something. She said, Here is a spot. Doctor, hark, she speaks. I will set down what comes from her to satisfy my remembrance the more strongly. Hark, hey, hey, listen, she speaks. I will set down, I will make a record what comes from her, whatever she is saying, to satisfy my remembrance means to keep in my record for my memory so that I can observe more strongly, more clearly. Lady Macbeth. Out, damned spot, out. I say, 1, 2, why then 'tis time to do it. Hell is murky, fie, my lord, fie. A soldier and a feared. What need we fear? Who knows it? When none can call our power to account. Now, this is a speech of Lady Macbeth. She's saying, "Our damned out, damned spot." Out means she is trying to remove a spot. Out. I say out means just move. Why then 'tis time to do it? Why? It is a time to do it. Means it is a time to remove the spot. Hell is murky. Hell is murky. Hell is full of sadness. It is dark. It is gloomy. Fee, my lord, fee means fear. Here it is fear. Okay. To disgust means something bad. A soldier and feared. What need we fear? Fear, who knows it? Means we should feel fear of what? And who knows what we should fear of? Then, when none can call our power to account, and no one is there who can on level of our power, yet who would have thought yet who would have thought the old man to have had so much blood in him? Means no one is there to just call us for the power, but no one knows that who is more powerful of some other one. We are. And she is also saying that old man is having too much blood. Who knows that he is too much blood? Blood is still in my hands. Blood of whom? She's talking about a old man. Okay, so here we'll continue in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day, bachcho. Thank you.